Yeah, well, yeah, great question. Keep that in mind. Okay. It is streaming. Can you see it? Is it not? I'm not going to stop it because I remember last time it actually was. Okay. I'm going to pull up Figma, make sure I'm logged in. It's there. Sick. You're not. Okay. We got to figure this out somehow. Well, okay. So you're talking. I can hear you through FaceTime, right? Is that where I hear you? Or did you mute your FaceTime? Because I think you need to mute your FaceTime and then I'll hear your audio from the browser thing. Right. Can you talk? I don't know if I can hear you. I can hear you, but it's still echoing. Did that do it? Oh, I think that's good. That sounds right. AirPods. Oh, the mic not going through the AirPods? Classic. Yeah, I think so. Do you see it on there? Oh, really? Nice. Okay. Now I'm just logging into Figma. So I switched to a Mac Mini. I had like a Mac Mini downstairs, so I'm going to be using that now instead. A bit. Well, I mean, like my laptop was faster when when I'm not streaming, so that probably helped. We'll see. It does feel like a little slow still, but maybe. Let me pop up Xcode and see if that helps. I also am running the um, Tahoe Beta, macOS 26. So we'll see how this goes. Okay. Yeah, let's do it. Okay. I hear my Mac Mini fans kicking on already. Yeah, I'm trying to see if I put it in the components because do we put it as images? No, we put it something, but it was in top 100. So yeah, if other people don't know, top 100 is another app we had built. It's on the App Store now. Um, but yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, that's fun, dude. Yeah. Stitch and Snake. That's so funny, dude. Oh, that's hilarious. That's funny. Nice. Well, yeah. So yeah, in top 100, we have a Rive animation that we use for the timer, and we hooked it up to this timer view Rive view model. Um, we did not put it into like a shared project, so I'm gonna have to come in and like import the project, like import the thing. So okay. So let's see. I'm importing Rive. I brought in the timer Rive view model thing, and we could use that just to see. Okay, this code. Okay. Yeah, we could do that. Yeah, we could do it. Okay. So yeah, I'm going to copy this whole thing and let's make a new folder. So I'm going to call it background review model. And did you texted me the whatever it's called? Nice. Um, and yeah, just so everybody knows, like we've only used Rive one time. We just did it till we got it to work. So this might not be the best like architecture for it or like use of it. But I think we just get it to work and we learn along the way, right? Yeah. Okay. So let's see. I just brought everything in, so it should be the same as our timer. So I just want to make sure this works still. Okay. So in the super init or yeah. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Oh, sick. Yeah. So just brought it in. Oh, yeah, it's moving. Sick. Okay. So, but I need to pass in the size of the view. Okay. Great question. Yeah, I was just gonna see if, because yeah, this is how we can get the height. It's just not working. So it should show us how big this view is. Okay, so we can pass in this proxy.size somehow into the Rive view model. I think like even if I add padding, hopefully it's talking about the, yeah, okay. So it's talking about the entire view, not just that Rive, because the numbers didn't change even though the view itself shrunk. So so this should be the right size, this proxy that we get back. Okay, but what were you saying? Yeah, okay. Yeah, no worries. I'm gonna delete this timer Rive from this now that we know this is working. Okay. Yeah, we just do it in the init. Oh, nice. Okay. Uh, yeah. Oh, gosh. Okay. Okay. Yeah, let's see. You want the UI color, Rive color. It doesn't look like it. Um, it's pretty small. And so let me Maybe it's because I took out this thing too soon. From path dot value. So let's try it again. It might have been because I took out the time arrive. Yeah, look, it's pink. Oh, sick. So if I do like yellow or if I do black, it's just like not going to really show up. Okay, it seems like white. Yeah, nice. Okay, so we got the color working. I'm going to say update size and give it a CG size. Yeah, I'm told that. Okay, so this is I do data binding instance dot. Is this a number property? Why is it not? This one's screen width. Float. Sometimes it, it's, it accepted it. Yeah, I was saying that it needed a float instead of a CG size or CG float. Yeah, like right here. I didn't see anything change. Did you? You try any init. Okay. Yeah, let's see. View model. I think like um, we have a Rive model, right? From Rive view model. We have a Rive view. Subtop fit. Oh, I guess I think we could just do straight up fit. Oh, see, look at this. Is what? Cover? And they don't have documentation on what each of them mean. Okay, that looks better. Which means maybe nice. Yeah, which means we yeah, which is nice. Oh, sick. Yeah, look at that. That looks nice. Okay, done. Is doing. Okay, so we should do a update is doing and update color. Um, okay, so this is doing. What should it do? It's going to be a data binding instance dot bool property. Yeah, it looks like it. This is doing. Does it start as false? Okay, so maybe we set it as false. So let's try this. Okay, so we're gonna have it set as false to start with, and then I created this function that we can call on the ride view model to update it. So I just put in a button in here that will update our current value here, and then anytime you update it, it will trigger. It'll update that it's doing here. Whoa! So it gets faster. Yeah, yeah. We should. Dude, it's got to do the state machine stuff. Because, like, right now, when you hit it, it looks like it just starts a new animation, but the lines jump. Yeah. Dude, that was like the biggest thing I was excited about was that it would interpolate or whatever. Yeah. Oh, that's kind of sick. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Sounds good. Yeah, I'm excited. Let's see. Um, Yeah, I just want to kind of see what they look like. Mm. Yeah, I think I need to like make a. At this point, it's like there's got to be an easier way to do this. Yeah, that's funny, dude. Apple's kind of not been doing that good with it. Oh yeah, yeah, freak. This has to work. What? What the? All right. They want AI to win. I feel like it should be fine. Yeah, it's the exact same. I guess we won't do it. They have a different. Yeah, that's like shorthand. You can just write in it instead of the name of it. That's dumb. Okay, never mind. Yeah. We'll just do this here. Yeah, that's true, dude. That's funny. Anyways, okay, so what we want to do is on our focus mode. Okay, yeah, yeah. Oh, true. Okay. So yeah, how do I let's go back to chat. But yeah, do you need two numbers? Like an X and a Y? Yeah. So just gonna put it right here in line. Make sure this runs. We need core motion. Okay, so that should give us the numbers. And then in here, create a tilt manager. Hmm. So maybe we create a struct called background right view. Oh yeah. Okay. Yeah, dude. Oh, I'm excited. Okay, so it's gonna start updates. And then we have this normalized X, normalized Y. Yeah, I think so. So we could do an on change of the tilt dot normalized X, and the on change of tilt dot normalized Y. And let's not care about the old value. And then in here, we could do our IView model dot, and we'll create a func update X tilt. Hopefully that's right. CG fonts. Okay. And then x-axis, y-axis, and their number properties. Oh, which we didn't do because we didn't need the width. And it's x-axis. That's fine. And then this should just instead of this. I'm gonna have to run this on my device for to see if it actually works. Let me get a cable. Okay, and then tell you what, really quick, we're gonna in the focus mode and put the background ride view. Oh, true. Which is really just like the content view. Oh, and trust my Yeah, but it looks so good, especially compared to what the timer used to be. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Dude, yeah, the state machine stuff. That's what's gonna get me, dude. True. Yeah, very true. It worked. Okay. Should we wait till tomorrow to test this? Okay. Okay, yeah, I'll try it and then I'll push it. Okay. See you, Brett. I can still see you. There you go. Now you're leaving. Okay, Brett had to leave, but we're just building this. Still takes some time, but I've got my physical device here. You can see it's moving. So the hope is we can get this bad boy to work and that the tilts just work with it, which would be sick. Oh, this might take forever. While we're waiting, let's just look into this a little bit more. This is start device motion updates. So one thing I'm worried about is I think we're doing this on like all the screens. I'd show you, but oh, we could probably show this. So we're calling this start device motion updates for each of the screens. But one thing it says is that we should stop device motion updates. So my thought is we should add a func inside of that motion manager that we can call to stop motion updates, or at least put like in a deinit or something for it to automatically stop motion updates, or else it might be mad at us. The other thing is like we're doing this on every screen, so if we have like multiple screens up, it could be that we have multiple location managers or whatever like at the same time. So yeah, we'll have to see. And hopefully this just works. If it does, I'm just gonna hop off after this. It's kind of working. Really subtle. I think the issue is every time we move it, um, it restarts. At least that's how I think it might be. And it's not really a big enough move, but somehow is working. So, anyways, the screen's looking pretty sick. I think we need this image to be transparent so it sees through the back. Cool. Um, nice. Yeah, I'll go ahead and push what we've got. I'm gonna try to delete this time arrive. See if this works. Okay, that's still working. Yeah, see, here's the other thing is that I think it's updating too fast. Anyways, yeah. So we definitely need to still optimize this a little bit, but I'm gonna go ahead and push what we've got. What is it? Other outpushed. Oh, if we go to apps will connect, we can see if it's in there. Okay, it's being uploaded. But because I'm on a different laptop, it's showing different. Cool. Okay, I'll go ahead and end it there. Thanks, guys. See ya.